Blessings everyone. You're tuned in to Jamaica News Scoop, where we bring you the news from every angle as we spread our eyes across Jamaica, our little island home. Feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here, please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day as we now move to the news. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, confirmed that 2 illegal firearms were seized, 2 gunmen were shot and killed, while another has been taken into custody at the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew shortly after midday. The 3 men were reportedly traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car that is suspected to have been involved in the shooting death of a man in Swallowfield, St. Andrew earlier today. The murder of the man was reported to the Police Emergency Communication Center, which then used the JAMICA technology to swiftly mobilize members of the Metropolitan Quick Response Team. The motor vehicle was intercepted at the intersection, and while the police sought to apprehend them, the suspects engaged the police team in a firefight. Investigations into today's incidents are in their early phases, and more information will be shared with the public at an appropriate time.